Okay, everybody, I am back up in my craft room, and I thought I had filmed my macaroons, and I didn't. I can't believe it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you do some macaroons, and these you can use for anything. You can use them for holidays, if you do a sweet treat, a bar cart, whatever. If you've watched any of my faux desserts, you have seen how I decorate with them. Now you can use plaster of Paris with these. I used the air dried clay, and it's just by Crayola. You can get it at Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to show you what I did is I just took this clay, okay, and let me put the lid on because it is air dry. You don't want that air getting into it any more than you have to. And then I put it in a Ziploc. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill the cavity of the mold. Okay, and you want to really get it down in there, press down, to make sure that you get in all the nooks and crannies of whatever mold it is that you're making if you're using the clay. Now the plaster of Paris is going to go in there, just pour in and hit all those grooves, and you know what I mean? But you got to make sure you're really down in there. And then this is going to take a couple days because it's pretty thick. Okay, so that's down in there pretty good. Alright, now these have already been drying and they just pop right out. Okay. And there you have the mold for the macaron. So now I'm going to let this one just harden, and I'll paint it once it is hardened. Now let me show you the ones that I've started. And these are going to be for my fall, obviously. But what I like about macaroons is they're very colorful. So I've done the tops, and now I'm going to just put a cream color filling into this. And if you look up real macaroons, they are very vibrant in color, and they're all different colors, and that's what's fun about these. Alright, so well, I can let these out. You saw that I have these in the pumpkin, and this is a burnt orange and a chocolate. I'm going to do the next one in a kind of a camel color. The actual color is spice tan. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, I'll do one this color. And then the next one I'll do kind of maybe another chocolate. But anyway, see how I'm getting right in the cranny of this? Because I don't want to paint where the cream part is going to be. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit it with some varnish, acrylic varnish, and you can get that where you get your acrylic paints. It's a sealer, plus it makes it a little bit shiny. Okay, almost done with this one. And like I said, these are very fast. I mean, as far as once they're dry, and like I said, you can use plaster of Paris if you want. Okay. And since I have extra, I'm going to put this paint back into my bottle. And again, as you can see, I'm painting on my glass mat. If you do a lot of crafts, this is well worth the money. And it comes from Crafter's Companion. I use it all the time. Okay, and the last one, I think I'm going to do that one kind of this yellowish cream. Well, actually, it's ivory. And then when I'm done with all this paint, all I'll do is take some water and clean it up. That's what's so nice about a glass mat. But yes, macaroons come in all kinds of colors. I mean, vibrant fuchsia, turquoise, all kinds of colors. And then I'll just do probably a chocolate filling. And I'm just using a flat brush for this. And the mold is from Amazon. All my silicone molds I got from Amazon. I don't know the distributor. Just go on to Amazon and put in macaroon silicone molds, and there will be all kinds come up, and then you just choose the one you want. So all I have to do now is wait for the rest to dry, and then I'll do my fillings, and then we'll put them on my fall table that has all my different fall goodies, faux goodies I should say, because this stuff isn't just for summer. As you can see, it's for holidays, for regular days, whatever. Anyway, when this dries, I'll come back once I have some of this filling painted. Okay, let me show you so far. Let me show you here. Okay, and then I've done a pumpkin also. So I've done them the colors of fall. And like I said, if you look up macaroons, they are very pretty, very pretty. They're all different colors. They're vibrant. They're very, very bright colors. So these are cool. These are fun to do, and I'll do these more with other decor. I'll do some for Christmas probably. These would be really cute for Halloween. You could do some black. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to touch them up. There's a little bit right here in little spots, and then the bottom. I wanted to wait for this to dry. And then I'm going to, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to either varnish them with this matte varnish, which is just an acrylic. Like I said, you get it in the paint section where you get your other acrylic paints. Or I might use the gloss Mod Podge. I'm going to try one of each. But when I'm done and I have these where I want them, I'll show you. Okay, so they're all painted and glossed. And I think these are going to look cute with my table of fall faux sweets. Just a silicone mold, some air dry clay, and paint. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Talk to you soon. Bye.